So this has a charger in it, as you can see right here. Let's see. This is for my computer. Just pull this open and I put my computer in there or whatever I want to, and then this just for whatever. And then there's actually pockets as well. I don't know if you can see it, but like they're down there, as you can see. And then I think this is a charger thing for it that I charge, so that would charge or whatever. But yeah, and then there's a zipper right here. It's a pocket, and then when I charge my phone or anything, it's close enough to where I can put it in here. And it has two pockets, one right there and one right here. And I believe it has a secret pocket back there. But that is what it looks like. I love it.